This may seem like a regular Cartier tank, but it is really far from it. This is a Tank Basculante, a really rare and sought after Cartier. There are a lot of iconic Cartier models, easy to find in stores, but when you start going down into the rabbit hole of different tanks, you come across really rare models, like this one. Tanks are known for being simple, elegant, and with a sober design. Their inspiration, as most of you know, comes from a French tank from World War I. But the beauty of this watch is the party trick. Designed in 1932, the Basculante honors its name because it tilts to let the case fold over to stop showing the dial. Reminds us of the Jaeger LeCoultre Reverso, which coincidentally was also designed around the same time. On the inside of the case we can see the Cartier logo, and the outside finishing is what we would expect for a tank. Mirror polished on the sides and the satin finish on the back. Some people actually use this watch as a bedside clock, which is super neat and gives this watch another purpose. Cartier watches are known for the blue cabochon used in the crown, but because this is such a different and complicated design, they opted to put the stone on the top of the case. The dial has a beautiful white grain texture and the hands are blued with heat. Basic things we can expect from the house. We can find different versions of this watch. The XL, which has a manual wind movement, and the small version, which houses a quartz movement, which just makes it a bit more convenient. Quartz watches, as we all know, are more accurate, they have no need for correction, and last for a really long time. Cartier watches are generally super elegant. The finesse in their finishing is second to none, and occasionally we can find these rare and beautiful examples, which just confirm the great ingenuity that went into the design of this watch, which is simply stunning. Cartier has stopped producing these watches, which is incredible to me. They offer so much value and also something really different to the brand, but I guess that if they did this watch again, it would be really highly priced. These are really rare models, difficult to find, so price can vary between $6,000 up to $10,000 or even more. These rare pieces and their prices become really subjective, because since they are hard to get, their value depends on what people are willing to pay for them. But tell me, what do you think? Would you invest in these rare Cartier models?